presidents do not have all the power. So when a president isn't doing their job, like presidents don't do their jobs. Like when President Bill Clinton, he did something really inappropriate with one of his staff members. So Congress or the legislative branch impeached him. That means they fired him. The president can get fired. It's not likely because only 3 presidents out of, I think it's 47 now, have been impeached. So it doesn't happen a lot, but it can happen. All right? So, Isabel, what's impeachment? Right. To fire is basically to impeach or to fire the president. All right. So, the other thing that, here, would it help if I put the names on them again? Like if I put legislative here, executive there, would that help y'all more? So this is and then okay. The other thing that they can do, so say for instance, if a president they don't like what the president does, or a decision that the president makes, 2/3 of them, if they vote against what the president says, it can happen. The law can happen. So if the legislative branch says, we still don't think that your decision to veto our bill was okay, if 2/3 of them come back and say, I'm okay with this law, then it can happen. Does that make sense? And then it will move on to judicial. It's a whole system there. But for now, right here, and 2/3 vote can crush, veto, crush, override, end it, however it needs to be. Amaya, I need your head up. Make sure everyone writes that in. Amaya, are you okay? Are you something? Okay, your head should be. Are you sick? Okay, you need to be paying attention. That's your first one. All right. So far, what can the executive branch do to the legislative branch? Veto bills. I need everybody to say it. What can the executive branch do to the legislative branch? Veto bills. All right. What can the legislative branch do to the executive branch? Impeachment power. Impeachment power. And what else? 2/3 votes can crush veto. 2/3 vote can crush the veto. And what does that mean, Luis? Say it one more time. Yeah, if they say we don't like your decision, Mr. President, 2/3 of us have voted against it, they can crush his veto and try to get the bill to go through again. All right? So now, what I want y'all to do is look from legislative to judicial. All right? Draw an arrow from legislative to judicial. Okay? Still is writing. Giselle is drawing her arrow. Jai is writing her arrow.
Good morning, Sandra Mustangs. Please pardon the interruption.